Hi, welcome to Virtual CB1A. This is Ma'am Rena, and for this video discussion, we are going to talk about advanced age problem pa rin, but this is part 2. This is an example of a more complicated problem. So when Ralph asked his math teacher how old she was, she answered, 10 years ago, my age was equal to the square of my daughter's age. In 14 years, I will be twice as old as my daughter. Okay, so let's break it down. Ano ang age ni teacher? So we are going to find the age of the teacher, but hindi niya sinabi yung edad niya. Instead, nagawa siya ng reference doon sa edad ng anak niya at saka edad niya. So she established a relationship between her age and her daughter's age. So dito, si teacher, let's assume that it is a missing variable in the present, while si daughter, we know that her age right now is X. Hindi pa natin alam yung age ni mother or ni teacher in the present time. So, meron siyang dalawang clues na ibinigay. Isa ay 10 years ago. So, ano yung edad nila 10 years ago? So, if the present age of her daughter is X, then 10 years ago, her age was X minus 10, right? And then, this X minus 10 here, meron siyang relationship with the age of the mother or the teacher. So, si X minus 10, if you square it, that is going to be the age of the teacher or the mother. Ayan. Meron pa siyang isang ibinigay na clue. Sabi niya, in 14 years, she will be twice as old as her daughter. So, ano ang edad ni daughter 14 years from now? So, her age is X plus 14. So, in reference ulit dun sa present na age ni daughter. Relationship niya sa age ni mother or ni teacher, twice as old as my daughter. So, si X plus 14, pag dinoble mo siya, that is the age of the mother. So, we have the age of the mother 10 years ago and the age of the mother in 14 years. That is X minus 10 squared and 2 times X plus 14. Now, how can we make a relationship between these two? So, using this, 10 years ago, ano yung present age ni mother? So, kung 10 years ago siya, all you have to do is to write down X minus 10 squared, her age 10 years ago, and then mag-add ka ng 10. This is going to be her present age in reference to her age 10 years ago. Isa pa, in 14 years, ang edad na niya ay 2 times X minus 2 times X plus 14. But this will only happen in 14 years. So, in the future siya. So, ang isa pang edad ni mother, in reference sa edad ni daughter in the present, is 2 times X plus 14 minus 14 naman. So, kung in 14 years pa, 2 times X plus 14 yung edad niya, edi bawasan mo siya ng 14, that is going to be her present age. So, there are two formulas for the present age of the mother. These are the two formulas. X minus 10 squared plus 10 and 2X plus 14 minus 14. Now, let's equate the age of the teacher. So, present is equal to present. Dalawa ang value natin ng present. One is X minus 10 squared plus 10, and the other is 2 times X plus 14 minus 14. Now, let's simplify. Kailangan nating mahanap yung edad ni daughter para mahanap natin ang edad ni mother in the present. So, this is using special products. O kaya, factoring, pwede rin. You will end up with x squared minus 20x plus 100 plus 10. And on the other side, you will get 2x plus 28 minus 14. So, let's simplify. This is x squared minus 20x plus 110. Ilipat ko na to dun sa kabila ha. Minus 2x. And then 28 minus 14 is 14. So, may plus 14 ka dito. Therefore, magkakaroon ka ng minus 14 sa kabila. And that will be equal to 0. Now, let's combine like terms. This is still x squared. And then negative 20 minus 2x is negative 22x. And then 110 minus 14, 96. That is 96. Plus 96 is equal to 0. So there are two possible methods that you can use in solving for the value of x. One is by the use of factoring, yung shortcut natin, pero dapat matalas ka doon paghahanap ng common factor. Or kung medyo hindi ka comfortable with factoring, you can also use the quadratic formula. Okay? Okay. So, ano bang mas madali para sa inyo? Sige, try natin si quadratic formula. Si quadratic formula, that is x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Madali to kasi mag-identify ka lang ng a, b, and c, and then you are going to substitute the values. After that, you will get the value of x. So, our a here is, of course, 1. B is negative 22, and C is 96. Saan to galing? From our standard formula, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Sometimes I mistake this or I interchange the general formula and the standard formula. So, either way, ito yon, standard formula man yan or general formula. This is how you identify the value of A, B, and C. Okay? Okay. Now, let's find the value of x. So, negative b is negative times negative 22 plus minus the square root of b squared, edi negative 22 squared siya. Minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 96. Divide everything by 2 times a is 1. Okay. Kuha tayo ng calculator para mabilis yung procedure natin. This is positive 22 na, plus minus, square root of. Diretso ko na yung nandun sa loob ng radical, ha? So, that is negative 22 squared minus 4 times 1 times 96. Ayun, sakto pala siya, 100. So, this is the square root of 100 over 2. So, we have 22 plus minus 10 over 2. From here, you will get two values of x. The first value of x is when you perform addition, and the second value is when you perform subtraction. So, let's check for both of the values. We have 22, ay, ano nangyari? 22 plus 10 muna, divided by 2, which is equal to 32 over 2, which is equal to 16. So, this is the first value of x. Kunin natin yung second value ng x. We have 22 minus 10 divided by 2. We have here x squared is equal to Ilan to? 12 divided by 2, x squared is equal to 6. Okay, may dalawa kang value ng x. Pero isa lang dyan ang tama. Alin dyan ang susundin mong value ng x? Kasi from here, you will identify kung ano ang totoong age ni teacher in the present. So, ang age ni daughter in the present is either 16 or 6. Let's analyze. 10 years ago, my age was equal to the square of my daughter's age. If we are going to use 16, the age of the daughter, 10 years ago, is 6. But if you use 6, the age of the daughter 10 years ago is negative 4. Diba? 6 minus 10, negative 4 siya. Hindi pa nag-exist si daughter. So, the correct answer here is 16. So, presently, the age of the daughter is 16. Since alam na natin ang value ni x, magpili tayo ng isa sa dalawang formula natin to get the value of the age of the teacher in the present. So, wala na tayong space ipipilit ko siya. Dito na lang. Yan. Ito yung space na gagamitin natin. Alin man dito sa dalawa, parehas tama yung magiging sagot nyo. So, don't be too conscious kung alin yung tamang equation. Parehas yan tama kasi parehas naman yung naka-present. Okay, supposing ito yung pinili ko. We have x minus 10 squared plus 10. The value of x is 16. So we have 16 minus 10 squared plus 10. Nag-reference tayo sa 10 years ago. We have 6 squared plus 10. We have 36 plus 10. Or the age of the mother right now is 46. So, the age of the mother right now is 46. Okay? So, 10 years ago, ano yung edad nilang dalawa? So, 10 years ago, i-check natin. 10 years ago, ang edad ni daughter ay 16 minus 10 or 6. Ang edad ni mother is 46 minus 10, which is 36. Is 36 the square of 6? Yes. So, our answer here is correct. How about in 14 years? Parehas pa rin ba yung magiging sagot natin? In 14 years, the daughter will be 30 years old. Okay? Twice the daughter's age. 2 times 16 plus 14. 16 plus 14 is 30. Times 2, that is 60. And 46 plus 14 is 60. Is 60 twice 30? Yes. So the answer here is 46. The age of the mother is 46. Okay? So thank you very much for listening. And this is going to be the end of the advanced word problems. I think ito na yung end ng advanced word problems. We are going to continue with the next topic on the next video. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.